shake. Okay. So here this I'm going to make the shape in this way. We are make a ring. Normally cut it 7 centimeter is okay. Yeah, it's a beautiful ring. 7 centimeter like this. Okay, cut. Hello, Lucy. Happy to see you. Okay, then we can make the size first. If I'm going to make a size 8, but this one is can be adjusted size. Royston, just tell me if you need to claim the beads. The beads is $30. If you want to get a little bit piece as the gift, just tell me. Leave me message here. This one, because one string is a lot. If you want to make the ring, just get about 6 pieces enough. It looks like a bar copper. It's copper. It's copper color, red rose gold color. This one. Okay, you can just type 0. I pack a little for you. Okay. So this one, and if it's a size 8, we can adjust it at the 7. Yeah, rose gold color is the 1.2. So now the size is here, and I put it on the metal ring shaper here. This okay. A little noisy. Okay. Okay. So after hammer several times, then it's come the shape like this. Yeah. We need to adjust the shape. You can bend the shape a little bit like this one if you want. Here, now it's this way. Okay, so hammer in this way. Hello, Gadam. Happy to see you. Yes, finally catch my life. Did you take the hammer from your husband like you did the gel? This hammer I buy for myself, dear. It's a jewelry hammer. Dear, this one I don't sell it. You can get it maybe from AMZ because it's very heavy. You can get something that's from your local. It's heavy. It's not good for shipping because the shipping cost will be expensive. For this, you can find somewhere. For this one, you can find in my shop. Hammer. You search hammer, you will find it. Yeah. Okay, so it's this way. Okay, give birth already. Ada, yes, I've give birth already, and my baby is 4 months. He is 4 months already. Yeah, the boy is 4 months already, dear. Thank you. Yes. Yeah, that's my Dale. Yes, his name is Dale. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. And then we can wrap the beads rose clear quarter on it. Yeah, thank you, Ella. Thank you, my daughter named Ella as well. Thank you, Mary Lucia. Okay, use the size 0.3. Thank you, everyone. Hello, Momomi. 0.3 the wire size. And when you start to wrap the top of the wire, you go into here, tight the small wire on the top, and going to wrap it across. So you see, so it's hidden the wire beginning under the wrapper, hidden the wire under the wrapper. You understand what I mean? Yeah, hidden the wire and the end under the wrapper. Okay, thank you. Then put a bead. Here you can use any bead. I'm here use a cute bead like this. Yeah, it's a cute clear quarter. Okay. Then wrap one time. After wrap it one time, then you are going to hold the beads. Use the wire to wrap the base here. So is position it. Okay, then tight. And so it's fast making. I can make this ring in 5 minutes here. So it's very easy making, right? And we put another bead. Did you glue the end after you finished it? No, but if you wanted to make it smooth, yes, you can glue, but it seems no problem if not glue. It seems okay. If you have some polish bit, you can use the polish to polish the top, but seems no problem. Yeah, seems it's not a big problem here. Yeah, not a big problem, even not glue. With the glue, maybe more stronger. Here. Thank you. It's wrapper. Here. And tight this way. And wrap the beads. Here. This one I just wrap the two beads, then we done. We finish. Yeah, here is the way. And the tight. So here, this one the way for the ring. I make it the sides a little big. Let's see what's the size now. Okay, it's come out a size 9. Okay, so this one with only two sides with beads, only one side with the beads. The clear quartz looks like a diamond. So it's beautiful. Rose gold color, not the gold color. This is a rose gold wire. 1.2 millimeter and 0.3 millimeter make this ring. Handmade make the shape not easy to be bent. So this ring stay the shape. Okay. So you can try this design with some clear color. The beads is like a diamond ring. Okay.